this video we will see how to use the Busmaster tool. Double click on Busmaster. The following window will appear. Now connect the SBus CAN to your PC. I have connected two SBus CAN to the PC. Now click on CAN, driver selection, SBus CAN. Since I have connected two SBus CAN, I will select one. Click OK. And I click on connect. Now to transmit the message, I click on this arrow. Here I have configured a message. You can configure a new message as well. Here we should give a message ID. I'll give it as 0x123. Now there is only one channel. Data length you can change from 1 to 8. I'll give it as 8. You can select whether you are transmitting a standard frame or extended frame. I'll keep it as standard. You can enable the RTR frame where data will not be transmitted. This one is for repetition. If you want to send the same frame repeatedly based on this time, whatever you give. This is in millisecond. If I give 1 millisecond, for every 1 millisecond, the message 0x123 will be transmitted. I will configure it as 10. Now here you can transmit a message even a press of a key. I will configure B here and I will tick this one and this one. When I press A, 0x7 will be transmitted. When I press B, 0x123 will be transmitted. Now to fill the data, now first we will fill the data in 0x70. Here data has already been filled. Now 0x123 will fill the data here. You have to right click, double click here, enter data. Okay, now I have entered some data here. Now this message window can be opened from here. Window, message window, CAN, this window will appear. Now we can transmit a message. If we press A, now we have to connect here. Since I think we have selected here for every 10 millisecond, the message is getting transmitted for every 10 millisecond. Here we have an option for overlapping and see it separately. When you overlap, only the recent message will be shown. For example, if I press A, now 0x70 message is transmitted. If I keep if I have given 15 here, if I am repeating a message for every 15 milliseconds, you can see that here the time is getting incremented, but you are not seeing a new frame. If you click on here, you can see the new frame. This is for removing the overlap and to overlap. You can clear the screen by clicking on this to clear screen. Now when you transmit a message, you can see the time here. You can also set this to system time by clicking on this system time. You will get system time here. This for 16, it is showing it as 16:16. You can also change it to absolute or relative time. Here it also supports the scripting. You can also do scripting to transmit a message. We have to click on configure simulated system for node simulation here, and we have to disconnect our SBus CAN first. Now we can click here. We have to click on plus. We will give a node name. We'll create a new script. We'll click OK. Now the following window will appear. Here you can do the scripting. Now we will see each feature, single feature here. First one is message handling. Right click on add, select it. Here you can this one is for receiving a message, like which message on what message the following message should be sent. For example, if we give a specific ID as 7E0, then when we receive a message with an ID 7E0, whatever the code we write here now below here, that message will be transmitted. To write that, we will create a global variable first. stcan underscore msg. This is a global structure. We will create an instance of this. I have created instance as tx. Now we will use this tx here. tx dot id equal to, I would like to give the message id as 0x7e8. DLC as 8 and tx dot data of 0 as some 12. Once the scripting is complete, now to compile the code, click here and click on build node. Now the node has been built successfully. To test this node, we have to connect one more device to our CAN. So I will open one more instance of Busmaster. Here go to CAN, driver selection, Busmaster CAN. I'll select Busmaster CAN and I'll click on connect. Now here we have written, when we transmit a message from 0x7E0, this data will be transmitted out. So let's test it. Go to window CAN message. So I will transmit a message with an ID of 0x7E0. So yeah, by clicking A, this message will be transmitted out. So I'll press A. So when I press A, this message is received here. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77. This message has been received here, and this message has been transmitted out. Since this we have given 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 in decimal, it's been converted into hex and it's been transmitted out. So same can be seen here. This is a window. Here we received it. In this window, it's been transmitted out. So this is how we do the scripting. For additional help on scripting, you can go to help topic. In the help topic, you can go to content, and here you can find the information on CAN. If you want, you can also search specifically like stcan message. Here it will show the CAN message structure, and here also you can see how to send a message frame. Examples. Thank you.